Hello class and welcome to Unit 4. We've officially made it to the midway point of this class. I wanted to take a minute and just give you a couple quick updates as well as try to give you some tips that will help you get through the rest of this term successfully. First off, thank you so much for all of the participation that we've had so far this term. Your discussion board posts, the emails we've exchanged, text messages, phone calls, Ask the Instructor posts. You guys have been so engaged in this class and it's been really nice to see. But let's talk about Unit 4 for a minute. This week you're going to see your midterm exam pop up. You'll have 2 chances to complete that. So if you take it the first time and get 100, you're good to go. If you take it that first time and you're not completely satisfied with your grade, you get to take it again and we'll take the higher of the 2 grades. In addition to the midterm, you have your discussion boards and your interactive assignments. Discussion boards, just a little refresher, we should be posting our initial post that answers each of the prompts by each Wednesday. In addition to that, you have your responses to your peers, and that's 2 different responses to 2 different posts from your peers. And those responses should be 3 to 5 sentences in length. Ask questions, show some thought in the responses, and help create a further dialogue. As we move through these last few units, you're going to see so much information that will help continue to mold that experience for you as a student at Post. Skills that will help you in your classes, in your profession, as you move through your academic journey. Again, as we move forward, if there is anything you need at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here. We've had really good conversations already. You've done a fantastic job of outreach, so keep that up. Keep that going. Give it your all over these last few weeks. Let me know how I can be a support and what else I can do to help you in this quest to get through this first term and do that successfully. It's been a joy to work with you all so far, and I can't wait for the second half of this term. Please, again, I am here for you. Let me know. But for now, I'm signing off. Thanks again. Have a great night, everybody.